Okay, well, I spent some of my morning just slightly adapting a trolley that MakeDoAndMend1 gave to me in the last crank up. I think it was the one he had for his big generator, and I just had to take a few bits off of it. Just had to take a bit of board off the top and a few bolts out in this front section here, which wasn't too hard. It obviously looks really rough, but I'm not too bothered at the moment. It's just to get the Petare one actually mounted on something. I don't have any bolts that fit these axles, so I've had to use the Jubilee clip idea again, and it's a little bit floppy, but it'll do for now until I could sort some proper bolts out. But we're going to try and put the Petare one on it now. I just loosely screwed these two on just so they won't move about. That's what the engine's going to be bolted to. Those are going to have long wood screws right down into the main bit of wood. So hopefully it's going to do the job. Hopefully we'll be able to get the Petare one going again. We're going to have a go anyway. Like I said, I got that Magneto that isn't giving off the best amount of spark at the moment, but it might fire the engine, so we ain't got much to lose. And it is a bit annoying having the Petare one and not being able to actually move it about or anything. So hopefully this is going to make life a bit more easier. Alright, well, let's see if we can get the engine on there. Okay, well, the engine's on the trolley, but I can't get it to fire. The carburetor doesn't seem to be taking fuel. It's really windy. The Magneto's still got a little spark. It is a blue spark, so it should fire the engine, but I can't get it to fire at the moment. Probably got the timing a bit out as well, so I'm just going to try and put everything back in the shed now, call it quits. Okay, today we're going to be doing some more work on the Petare one. I spent some time a couple of days ago getting some bolts in the lower section of the cowling, so it's got some new bolts in there. I've just got to put one more at the very top, so that is secure. And today we're going to be doing a little bit more work on the Magneto. Hopefully there's a coil coming in the post, YPAC Series A coil coming in the post. Hopefully it will come today. It was posted first class, so fingers crossed. It should appear today. But I'm going to take the old coil out, clean all the Magneto off, because it looks well and truly manky. Have a little bit of a sort out in the shed again. I sort of can't really get in here at all. Yeah, but yeah, so we're going to do that, and then later on I've got to put a Honda Strimmer engine into a box and weigh it to see how much it's going to cost to post. But that's about it. So we're going to take that Magneto inside and sort out the workshop and start stripping it down. Okay, the replacement coil just arrived. That's it next to the old one. And this one reads 6,000 ohms, so it should be a good one. Hopefully now we're going to get the Petare one going. Okay, the Petare one's YPAC Series A Magneto is now back together, and what a vicious spark. Doesn't seem to be sparking the points. Got a really good flash on the tester as well. So fingers crossed this puppy's going to start the engine. So thanks to the forum member. I think his name was Pete. I'll double check that later. Thank you, really. It's really a great coil. Yeah, that should get the engine running. It's a hell of a lot better than this thing. Thanks, man. That's it. Well, it started. Let's just have a look at something. Okay, let's see if she'll fire up again. Let's see if we can get her to run off the choke as well. Yeah, it's out of petrol as well. It's really wobbly without bolts in the wheels. Oh, but she is a runner again. Just needs a little tiny bit of work to get her to settle down. But she should be okay. She should run properly one day.